This is a very informative session. No? I do learn a lot, even in the security industry for a long time. No? I've been a security admin myself, no? Before I became a CISO. And the triangle that you presented earlier makes sense, no? A lot to me. Knowing the 70% of the known attack should be automated, and not wasting time to investigate is a big thing, because that's a real problem. Our analyst is really having a hard time, investigating something doesn't really matter, and based on how you explain it, it make a good sense of understanding on me and my team. It's gonna help us improve our security operation, the way we detect and respond to an incident. But also, as I mentioned earlier, we also wanted to improve in our ability to recover. So we will get in touch with you, Amir. No? We wanted to understand playbook specific to an attack, so we can come up with a checklist. No? Because when you get attacked, it's the time is very important. The sooner the better you understand and know how to answer, who to communicate, will be very, very helpful.